race us? Yeah. All right, let me get up beside you. Is it still running? Hey, hold on. I'll go on. You go on the third honk, okay?
Oh.
Go. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Travis. This is
Cam.
This is TWA Motorsports, and today we are not working on something that's in the shop, car related, but instead, as you can see, I'm soaked in sweat. I've been out here for a little bit working. What's going on here, Cam?
So I've been riding my four-wheeler. I didn't know that they went over to Charlie's and Brittany's with the golf cart, and then I looked over, and then this hood popped off.
This popped off right here? Show them where.
It popped off like.
Oh my goodness.
Like this, and then the next popped off was like this.
Oh, so it was dragging on the tire.
It was about to get on Mike in the tire way.
Yeah. So, guys, we are going to see if we can help him out today. I don't know. Look, when we purchased this thing, I'm assuming it was driven. What is it, driven or drove?
Driven?
She doesn't know.
Drove?
I'm assuming it was driven by a younger kid who maybe didn't have a lot of control. He's done pretty good on it. You haven't hit anything, right?
No, but I went over a big bumpy board.
You went over a big bump, but you didn't hit anything, did you?
No.
Okay, well, there you go. You didn't hit anything. But this was broken when we bought this. Now, we've had to take it off a couple times because we had to get him a new battery, and we put a new battery in there. We cleaned up all the terminals, but today we're gonna see if we can fix this, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to try to adjust some stuff. I don't think you can buy plastics for this anymore. So we're gonna see if we can maybe zip tie it up, right? Will that work?
Or just like do something else.
Do something else? Want to take it off?
Take the hood off?
Yeah, okay, we better not do that. All right, let's grab some zip tie cutters and get the old stuff out of the way that isn't working. I want to have him cut these zip ties, these old zip ties. Can you cut those for me?
Cut what zip ties?
That zip tie there, and see if you can cut that one.
Cut them off?
Cut them off. Cut them off. See if you can get it cut. Don't get your fingers in there.
I won't. I'm not strong enough.
Oh, you're not strong enough? I think you are. Here, let's see. You are strong enough. See? All right, there's one. Man, that thing's tore up.
Yeah, this kid has been damaging this thing.
Oh, yeah. He damaged it. All right, I don't know.
He damaged the stuff out of it.
Yeah.
I can't get
that one's gonna be tough. I may have to do that one.
Maybe type like a screwdriver.
There we go.
Yeah.
All right, we need to get some. I think we've got some stuff unbolted here that we need to bolt back up. So let's go see if we can figure out what size this is. Looks like a 10 millimeter.
There's hay on it.
There's hay on it? Well, what have you been doing?
I don't know.
You've been driving in the hay?
No.
Let's see if we can get a 10 millimeter and get this stuck back in where it goes. I think that's part of our problem.
I'm getting the hay out.
You got the hay out?
I'm trying to.
Okay.
I've run over hay.
Well, I don't know why you're running over hay. That's a bad idea.
Okay.
Well, never mind. This is not. We got to find some screws that fit in here. I think's what we need. There's one right here. We need to find another one.
Another what?
Another screw like this. Let me go see if I can find a screw like this one right here. See this? We gotta find another screw. So in our bolt bin, we're seeing if we can find a couple of these to hold this together because it's broken. So he's gonna look through our bolt bin down here and see if he can find another one. And if he can find another one, we'll put those in and that'll help hold things stable up front. And then we're gonna work on getting this piece back together, right? Think we can do that? I think we can do that. Well, we got one side hooked, found a bolt that fit it. He's working on zip ties. I guess he thinks we need some zip ties on this. I'm gonna go over here.
Get the front.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the other side. Let me see if I can get it snug down. using a little longer bolts this time. All the plastics, it really needs entire front new plastics, doesn't it?
Yeah. Needs a new hood.
Needs a new hood.
And some new lights, like bright lights.
We need some LEDs on this thing, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, they don't make one. I tried to order some, but they don't have any right now. Maybe they're out of stock. Well, let's snug this sucker down, and we'll move on. We gotta bolt down a couple pieces on the hood and see if we can get it next. You sure you didn't crash this?
No.
You're not sure?
I never crashed it before.
Oh, okay.
You just brought it home in the back of a truck.
I did, and it was already crashed up. You may be right. Well, we've managed to get a couple things lined back out here, just with some extra screws, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we may be able to get it to stay together at least, and not flip and flop off here.
Yeah, they put this stuff in the wrong place.
They did?
Yep. So
Yeah,
we're gonna put it like in the right place.
Yeah, we're gonna do with what we got.
Yep.
Then we'll have to test it out, I guess.
Yep.
Think we'll have to test it?
Yep, we're gonna test it out and see how it does.
Can you go over there and get a flathead screwdriver for me?
Flathead? That
Yeah.
means like it's flat.
That's right.
Like
Yeah, go get one. Just like this.
like a hammerhead shark.
Yeah, like a hammerhead shark. Go get a flathead screwdriver.
Tiny?
Same size as this one I got, the red handle. Snap on. We're getting there. Everything's broken on it. Oh man, this is broken back here too. It needs one of everything. Somebody must have really smashed it.
This?
That's the one. Good job.
Is that the one that you were asking for?
That's the one I was asking for. Alright, let's see if we can snug this up.
Dad, should.
You'll be alright. Alright, that's that. Now, if we can get this snug down in the front, we'll be good and we'll be ready to zip tie this thing back on. It's the only way we're going to be able to hook it. Alright, we're going to have to drill for some new zip ties.
Yep.
You okay if we drill in a hole right here?
Yeah.
Alright, let's done it. We're doing it.
Oh.
That didn't take long.
No.
Alright, zip tie number one.
Zip tie number hole.
I think it's going to take about 60 of them. Alright, cut that tail off. Real close to the end. There you go, cut her. Ooh, must be getting stronger.
What about the other side?
Try to tuck, well, the other side's not broken yet.
Ah.
Alright, so we got this sets up in here like this. What we got over there? Yep. Okay.
Oh, it's not in here.
It's not?
No.
Tell you what we may do. We may put another hole right here, another one right there.
Or do you want to just duct tape it?
Duct tape? Dang, I don't want to do that. Alright, let's get it somewhat lined up. We'll put the zip ties.
It's not.
Well, I'll get over there in a minute. Let's put a zip tie right here. Wherever there's, this is where the one.
Oh.
This is where the one was, right here. No, hold on there. Let me get it snug down before you go chopping.
Before we test it?
Got that one a little tight.
Is it too tight?
Maybe. Pretty snug. Alright, chop that right off. Other way, turn the other way. There you go, chop it right up against the end of it. Yeah, squeeze tight. All right. I think you got it.
Oh, I got, oh.
You got it. All right, let's get this other side. All right, guys. With a bunch of zip ties, we got it, didn't we?
Yep.
You want to test it out and see if it works?
Yeah.
You got the helmet? All right, we'll test it out. Tell them what we fixed. Show them what we did.
We put some holes in this and zip tied it on so it wouldn't get back in the tire way or it wouldn't pop off.
Okay. And so you think that's pretty secure?
Yep.
Give it a tug and let's see. Tug on it a little bit.
Like this?
Yeah. Oh, I think it's good. All right, let's fire this thing up. You give it a test run. We'll chase you down on the Golf. All right, let's see if we can get it to start. Here, you hold the camera and watch. See if I can get it started.
Okay, let's hope this thing starts. Woo! That's easy.
Oh.
What about the gas?
I think we're out of gas. It's probably all right. Check it. Point it down there. Let's see. Is there any gas in there? Holy cow. There's gas in it. I think we're good. I don't know. Actually, the gas is turned off. I think we're good. Maybe on reserve tank. All right, we'll
See how it goes.
yeah, we'll see if we can get it. Whoa! Get on it first. All right, we're gonna chase him down. On the Golf.
On the trailer.
See if we can catch him.
He's waiting for us.
We can get a drag race in here. Holy cow. Seems to be working. He's not complaining. Hey, you want to race?
What?
You want to race us?
Yeah.
All right, let me get up beside you. Is it still running?
3, 2.
Hey, hold on. I'll go on. You go on the third honk, okay?
Oh.
Go.
He won't go.
Oh. Oh. You're killing us. Watch where you're going. You did. You won. That's pretty good. All right, shut her down. All right, well.
It ran good.
It ran good?
Mm-hmm.
And it stayed together.
Mm-hmm.
Need help with that?
Mm-hmm.
Holy smokes. Yeah, you did a good job. All right, well, it didn't fly off. That's good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Looks like we got her fixed.
Yep.
It's my helper out here. All right, I think you can get it off now. Well, guys, I think we've got it licked. Looks like there's a bolt coming loose. We're gonna have to tighten up real quick. See that bolt right there? It's coming out.
Yeah.
All right, well, if you guys enjoyed this video, what do they need to do, Cam?
Ring the bell icon and see what we tune to work on next.
Yeah, that's right. If you guys are not subscribed, go down there, hit that subscribe button. Like he said, ring that bell icon. And if you want to see Cam work on some stuff in the future, let me know in the comments, guys. But stay tuned to see what we work on next.